Hello, today we are solving October 2023 paper, question number 1, part D. Complete a break-even graph for the year 1 for an output of 0 to 45,000 units. For the first part of this problem, we had calculated, the fixed cost, total variable cost, and the total cost. This was already calculated in the previous video. Now in this video we are going to draw a graph for break even. So let's construct the graph. On the x-axis you are supposed to indicate output units, and in the y-axis it's going to represent the cost. So here you have to indicate what is it. This is going to be in thousands and this is going to be in millions. So whatever value, like 1 represents 1 million, and the highest amount is going to be usually the revenue. The revenue is usually calculated as 45,000 times 3, that is equal to some 13.5 million. So that was the revenue that was calculated, so that's why it is I have drawn till 13 units on the cost side. On the x-axis maximum is 45,000 should be the maximum number you have to indicate on the graph. So now that's how you will partition the graph and start drawing. So the first step is to draw the fixed cost. Now we saw that the total fixed cost is 1.8 million. So let's draw it. 1.8 million is around here. So 1.8 million, you will draw a line here. So this represents the fixed cost. This represents the fixed cost line. Then from here you will draw a line that indicates the total cost. So fixed cost plus the variable cost, you are going to draw a total cost. So the highest total cost at 45,000 was calculated as 10.8. So you will have to mark 10.8 at 45,000. I have also marked this represents the revenue at 13.5. So the revenue is calculated here, 45,000 into 300, so that is equal to 13.5 million. Now so let's draw here the total cost. The total cost is going to start at 0 units, at least it will be 2 million fixed cost will be there, and at 45,000 it's going to be around 10.8. So this is how you will draw this is the total cost line. Then the next step is to draw the revenue line. So the revenue is going to be equal to, at 0 at the 0 production the cost will be the revenue sold. At 0 quantity sold the revenue is 0, but at the highest revenue at 45,000 is sold, you earn a revenue of 13.5. so you will join these two lines, 0 and the 13.5 million revenue that is earned. Now after this, now you will so from this you will be able to calculate the break even. Break even should be around 18,000 as per the calculation, real calculation, but in, so let's draw here. So where the total cost and the revenue line crosses, where the total cost and your revenue line crosses, that is going to be your break even point. So let's mark this here at the break even point. Break even will be around some 18,000, it has to come approximately. So this is the point, that is break even quantity achieved. 18,000 units. 18,000 units. So This is the break even point here. So you will indicate the break even point. Then you will have to say this is the angle of incidence. Okay, so the angle of incidence is going to be here. I'm going to call this as angle of incidence, the angle between the total cost and the revenue, that's called as angle of incidence. So then this represents the break even point. The break even point is achieved around 18,000 units. Okay, so 18,000 units, which we can, you have to indicate, and then angle of incidence you have to indicate. Then you have to also indicate margin of safety. Okay, so the margin of safety is anything above this point. So from the break even, okay, you draw a line. Okay, you draw a line. So from 45,000 units till it falls to 18,000, this represents the margin of safety. So let's write here on both the sides. Okay, so this represents the margin of safety. In the exam you can draw everything using pencil and name this, okay, using the pencil only. Here I have, for the easy understanding, I have used different colors, but in exam you don't have to use different colors. You just have to write all the required value. And this area, okay, whatever is this area it represents the profit area. Okay, above the break even point, this area you will have the profit. So let's write here, this is the profit area, this is the profit, okay, you will achieve. And here it is the loss, anything below the break even, okay, it's the loss. So you have to indicate these in your in the graph, and you will name the graph as break even chart. Okay, you will name this graph as break even chart if e-bikes manufactured abroad, okay, for option 2. So break even graph for 1 year. So name this chart break even chart for 1 year for e-bikes produced by option 2. So that you will name.